In September, Chinese police were using drones to survey the mountains of Yunnan Province when they spotted something peculiar below. As the drone lens zoomed in, they discovered signs of a crudely built campsite, complete with multiple tarps and heaps of garbage. After locating the site via drone, police moved in on foot and found an old hermit living in a tiny cave. But this was no ordinary hermit. It was Song Jian, one of China's most wanted fugitives, who had escaped from prison nearly 2 decades earlier. Convicted of crimes too nefarious to discuss, Song had fled from a prison camp in 2002. His discovery was miraculous, akin to finding a needle in a mountainous haystack. But it wasn't purely by chance. Chinese authorities had been acting on clues about Song's whereabouts, leading them to search the mountains behind his hometown. When they found him, Song had been living in seclusion for so long that communication was challenging. However, after some convincing, he revealed he had spent 17 years in a 20-square-foot mountain cavern since his escape. During that time, he had barely washed, collected dry branches to light fires, and carried drinking water from a nearby ravine in a plastic bottle.